GenStone and real stone. That's the real stone. Took forever. Pain in the butt. A lot of arguments. GenStone. This went up real fast and easy. And if you're walking down this porch, you don't really notice the difference. It's pretty good. Use the GenStone all the way around the house and the garage. I think it blends in pretty nice. That real stone was a pain. Took a lot of time, a lot of argument. And we found the GenStone. Everything went up within a couple of hours. The whole thing. This stuff is easy. And has R value. And their customer service is excellent.